What's up, guys? It's your boy OG Rag Grow here with another, just doing some testing and tuning on the AMK LCG crawler chassis, my new build, and let's get it. And there she goes. You guys leave me a comment and tell me how you like those wheels and the noise. But I got those Proline crawler tires on there. Those are the G8 compound. Got one of them 9 iMod Outrunner motors hooked up to the capsule Sidewinder 4 ESC, and that is the culprit of the noise. Spin her around, see how she likes to go up. There's poison ivy everywhere around here. Try to stay clear of that. I don't know if you guys see this, but or know what that is, but that is all poison ivy. The leaves are super shiny, which means it's super contagious. Try to keep the truck out of that. And right here, we got one of my favorite ascents. Not too difficult, but it's a little challenging. See how the Proline tires handle it. Trying to make it a little difficult. I really do gotta find a more difficult line through here. Found a much more difficult line. I think I might have bit off a little too much that time. Those tires are the Proline crawler tires with the green Endure inserts. See, they do pretty good. Rear passenger wheel fell down in the hole. So I really got to do something about that noise. And we bring her on down, come down this steep rock, see how she do. A weird gear noise on descent. Might have a burn going out. I'll take the motor bar later on, check it out.